back soon. Back on Earth, day and night change like moons, with points of light pricking the darkness like vaguely remembered dreams. City lights shine into space at night, like ancient campfires, like candles of civilization. No other place beyond the Earth shows signs of life like this, or shows signs of life at all. But we're looking. Before we can find life elsewhere, we need to be good at reading its signs at home first. And on Earth, life is everywhere. This is the living Earth, the biosphere. Phytoplankton bloom in vast oceanic fields. Land plants pulse rhythmically with seasonal growth. Together, these sound the global heartbeat, the pulse of life powered by the sun. All energy on Earth comes from the sun. The car you rode in this morning, the unabashed tomatoes and perfumed basil comes from your garden each summer. The 2 bars out of 5 on your cell phone. They're all quantities of energy. And that means they're all connected to the sun. If you live on Earth, this is the nightlight that matters most. The moon, the Earth, the sun. Celestial spheres we see and feel every day. But in our solar neighborhood, there are other places too. Fabulous places. Mysterious places. As a tourist destination, Mars has an impressive brochure. The longest, deepest canyon in the solar system. A crater so vast that its edge stretches over the horizon. A volcano so high, its peak climbs above most of the Martian atmosphere. Nothing like these places exists on Earth. Nothing. This is Mars seen differently. You're looking at an elevation map made with an orbiting laser. Red and white areas reach high above the average. Blues and purples show lowlands. If Mars were covered in oceans, the northern hemisphere would be underwater. Imagine the first human footprints left on the shore.
I'm sure they'll immediately take this
What
shit
is
up.
the world we create in our minds? We create depending on what we want to see.
It'd be also hard to fire an astronaut
At
from
first,
Mars.
it was enough just to walk, to run, to get wet in the rain, to simply touch the forces of nature.
Although I think it's a little chilly,
But
so.
once in motion, imagination, then space, perspective. We see what we set out to find. We see what we choose to see. There are often surprises. This is from a NASA mission called WMAP. If the whole universe were a person, this would be its first baby
It's like
picture.
sitting on a wave.
There are no stars here, no galaxies, certainly no planets. But there is energy. The rest came soon enough, once the new kid could collect herself. This is the universe we see today. It's a stars merging together. But in either case, scientists believe they herald the births of black holes. They're the most powerful explosions in the universe after the Big Bang, and they seem to happen all the time, as often as once a day. Satellites like WMAP and SWIFT are rapidly coloring our perceptions about our place in the universe. What we know is a function of what we think to ask, what we challenge ourselves to see. We look outwards as much as we look inwards. For if there is any certainty in the journey of knowledge, it's that travel in any direction can lead to the same destination. We see only what we look for, and instead